Almost. Try again. Go try again. You didn't sit in it. Go sit in your chair. Try again. You'll get it.
Keep going.
Keep turning. There you go. Flip that leg. Oh.
Nope.
What? Do you remember?
Reevaluate.
Yep.
New approach.
New approach. Try again.
Same spot every time. Oh my goodness.
Keep going.
Try again.
Try again. You can do it.
I would hold on though. I think that helps, yeah. I don't think you're ready for hands free.
Okay.
Spin around.
Now spin around.
Put your legs through the holes. Yes.
Close. Oh, not too
Sit
far.
down, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Now sit.
Sit.
Sit. Oh, sit. Oh. Yay! You were so close that time.
Oh.
Oh. You're not in the chair, right?